Hello guys, this is Indian Medico. This video is about how to survive MBBS from the point of view of an average student. Before I start, I'd like to tell you guys that I'm not a faculty or topper. I'm just another average medical student from India who has just completed his internship. So if you ask me why I'm doing this video, it's simple. YouTube is full of advices from top faculty and toppers. I felt no one is there to give you a friendly talk from the point of view of an average student. So let's get into the video. First of all, the title of the video is wrong. MBBS is not about surviving, it's about experiencing it. People might scare you that MBBS is one of the toughest courses in India. But remember, lakhs of people have gone through MBBS. So it's not a war to survive. You have to make MBBS a great experience for you. Now, coming to what books to read, I've seen a lot of videos recommending books for various subjects. I'll give you one simple advice: read books which you are comfortable with. There is no point in following a book because majority follow it or because it was recommended by a topper. You have to read books which you find comfortable to read and from which you can gain maximum knowledge. Just make sure that the book doesn't have gross mistakes. Regarding exams, the primary goal is to pass. So, for theory exams, first cover all important questions and revise them. It's better to read a decent amount and revise them than to read a lot and not revise them at all. At least 10 hours prior to start of exam, you should stop learning new things and start revising whatever you have read. For practical exams and vivas, keep it simple. Be thorough of the basics. Don't utter things which you are not sure of. Regarding extracurricular activities, it's a misconception that MBBS doesn't give you time for your extracurricular activities. Remember, where there is a will, there is a way. You'll have at least 1 hour every day for doing things which you like. Just make sure you do things which you are passionate about and also make sure that it doesn't hamper your passing of exams. Because at the end of the day, studies are more important than hobbies. Coming to substance abuse and relationships, I guess this is a taboo area that no one speaks about in YouTube. I won't be able to comment on relationships because I have never been in one. But my concept is pretty simple. Do whatever you want, but it should satisfy these two criteria. It shouldn't affect anyone else apart from you, and you should be able to tell whatever you do to your friends. That is, you shouldn't get yourself into something so disgusting that you won't be able to tell your friends. Remember, keep everything under control. You have only one life, live it wisely. Another important aspect in MBBS is patient relationship. Be good to your patients. I feel it is the most important thing in MBBS. Be good to your patients and do whatever you can to make their lives better. Trust me, MBBS is a fun ride with lots of thrills provided you put in the effort from your side. At the end of the day, MBBS makes you more versatile and multipotent. So yeah, say Akuna Matata. Thanks for your time and bye.